Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm wonderful. My name is Mika. Nice to meet you.
Okay, I know your name because, yeah. So, my name is Mohammed and nice to meet you too.
Nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States, but I
Okay,
live
that's,
in Spain.
oh, you live in Spain. Okay, that's so nice.
hmm
So, what purpose do you live in Spain?
so I'm here to teach English.
Okay, so online or offline?
Well, both now,
Both now.
but
Okay,
originally in person. So I've been working in primary schools to like help
primary.
teach English. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that sounds fantastic. Okay, actually, I'm from India, but nowadays, right now, I'm living in Saudi.
Okay.
I'm okay. I'm a pastry chef.
Oh, a pastry chef. Cool.
Yeah. So today I have off day. That's why I didn't go to job. Yeah, just I'm taking a rest.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah. How long have you been living there?
I have been living here for 4 years.
Ah, for 4 years. Okay.
Yeah.
And so you love it and you plan to stay there for 4 more years or 10 more years?
No, 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 no. Actually, like I don't have too much balance right now.
Mhm.
Just 1.5 months, then I'll go to India.
Oh, okay. To move back or just to visit?
Move back.
Okay. Are you excited to move back?
Yeah, I'm excited because it will done. You can say like 4 years. So
Mhm.
that's why I'm really excited. Yeah.
Oh, yay. Cool. So what's like the first thing you want to do when you go back?
India.
Mhm.
Actually, right now, maybe right now I didn't decide.
Mhm.
Maybe again I'll come to another country.
Mhm.
Let's see. But right now I didn't decide. Actually, like here I have already done 4 years. I was thinking it's enough for me to here for 4 years.
Mhm.
And if I will go to another country, so I can learn a lots of things and lots of another you can like there have lots of things like culture, many kind of things. Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
So that's why I wanna go another country also.
Yeah, yeah. It's like time to move on and explore somewhere
So
else.
what is the difference between like USA and Spain? There have like any kind of difference between USA and Spain, like about you can say like culture or food
Mhm.
or something else.
Yeah, so many things. So compared to the US,
Hmm.
life in Spain is very slow. It's a very
Okay.
slow, relaxed, just lifestyle in general.
Hmm.
Um, Especially because I don't know. Well, the focus is different. So like in
Hmm.
Spain, family is super important and living life is super important.
Hmm.
And your job not so much. Like in the US, having a good job and a career and making a lot of money is
Hmm.
the first thing people like ask you about and it's always the most important. Um, and it's much more fast paced in the US. So those like
Ah.
right off the bat, mm, just the lifestyle, like fast versus slow, and then the most important like values, I suppose, because Spain is very family oriented and like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, actually, like Saudi and India should little bit have different events like culture,
Mm-hmm.
culture. Totally, you can say like difference of culture. You can say in India and Saudi,
Mm-hmm.
because Saudi it's a Muslim country, so that's why you can say like they follow all you can say like Islam. You can say
Yes.
Islamic rules and regulation.
Yeah.
But India, there have you can say like lots of religion,
Mm-hmm.
and every each religion people they follow the religion.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, That is one thing. Second thing, you can say like I have here benefits also. I'm Muslim. I can go to there have Makkah and Medina. I can go there. I can do lots of things. Yeah.
Mhm.
Mhm.
That's good, yeah.
So I have one question, like just normal question. If you
Mhm.
don't mind, can I ask that question?
Yeah.
Okay, so like how to make any content or topic twist. If I will, for example, if I will give to speech front of conference or audience, so how I will make any kind of topic twist, or you
Uh,
can like flexible.
wait, how to make any topic like what?
Yeah. How I will make any kind of topic twist. Like for example, if I want to give speak front of audience or conference, so like for example, if I want to give a speech about dowry, or you
Mhm.
can say like education,
Mhm.
or you can say like religion. So how I will make that topic twist, flexible.
Oh, how to make it like how to structure it?
Yeah,
Like if you have to talk about like if you have to talk about a certain topic and like how to structure like what you're
yeah,
going to say?
yeah. Like structure, it means like you can say like twist, flexible. Like
Mhm.
because there have something when you give to speak front of your opposite person.
Mhm.
So if you give to good expression, your body language
Mhm.
and talking style and exact, you have to for example, if you want to talk to about dowry or education or religion, you have
Mhm.
to talk only that topic. You don't go to another topic, or you
Mhm.
don't jump into another topic. You have to talk only that topic, and you
Mhm.
have to use your body language,
Mhm.
exact sentence, exact body language. And you can say like expression also, you have to give exact expression, like exact sentence, exact expression also. And your talking style is really very important. So yeah, then your opposite person, or you can say like audience, they will impress with your topic, or you can
Mhm.
say like your speech.
Mhm.
So what is the most important?
Oh, so what is the most important? Ooh, that's a good question. Um, I would say like um so guiding your audience. So like um I've so I live in Spain and I
Mhm,
studied Spanish and I've done Spanish language exams and part of the speaking part is reading various articles and then
mhm,
preparing a monologue about that topic.
mhm.
And so the structure like of that monologue, for example, is I would like introduce the topic and say like a little introduction about I'm going to speak
about
about this topic.
about that topic, you have to
Yes.
give a little bit introduction about that topic, then you can
Mhm.
start. Okay, then
And then say and I'm going to specifically talk about these 3 things. So,
okay,
I'll type it as I'm saying. So, like, I would introduce the topic first,
okay,
like, just, um, very, like, a brief, like, introduction of, like,
okay.
2
Mhm.
or 3 sentences of 2 or 3 sentences, and then I would say, like, I'm going to talk about these things these 3 things, like, the current situation regarding education in
Uh-huh.
Spain,
Mhm.
um, the advantages and disadvantages of a bilingual program, and then
Mhm.
lastly, I'm going to talk a little bit about, like, the future of education and these programs. Um, so, like, explain, like, the specific points
Yeah,
you're
yeah, yeah.
going to talk about, um, the specific points, and then
Because mhm, okay.
no, go ahead, go ahead.
Actually, like some people, like some people or some scholar,
Mhm,
when they give to speech, so just you will think I will hear that all the time,
mhm,
because there have something, you can say like there have twist. There have the topic, or you can
Mhm.
say like that topic or video. There have twist. So you wanna listen again and again
Mhm.
because of you can say like body language and exact expression, talking style, and good you can say like a good word, you can unique sentence, unique word you can say like they use. So that's why there are topic or there are, you can say like content to come to like fantastic.
No. Yeah. Yeah, 'cause it's good to, like, study as well, like, common sayings or, like, colloquial phrases, um, that are most commonly used and to be able to, like, incorporate them into your speech about whatever the topic is. And so that just makes it stronger, if that makes sense. It makes yeah, it
Yeah.
makes the entire, like, presentation better and more fluent and natural.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
But yeah, so yeah, I would just, like, have a structure that you follow. Like, you say, "I'm gonna talk about these things," you talk about each thing, but rather than having it be 3 super distinct parts,
Hmm.
like, try to connect them, like yeah, just connect them well from saying talking about the current situation and then moving into pros and cons or something of this topic,
Hmm.
find ways to, like, relate, like, the current situation is like this, and these are the reasons why this is good, this is bad,
Yeah, yeah. Actually, you
and
know why I told you,
mhm,
because sometimes I watch some kind of speech about you
mhm,
can say like religion or something else.
mhm,
So some scholar I wanna hear again and again. Some scholar speech I wanna hear again and again. I wanna listen again and again.
mhm,
Some I can't because you can say like so there have something. There have like some kind of quality between. I wanna listen again and again. There have some kind of quality
mhm,
that scholar that is scholar,
mhm,
and another I don't want to listen because they don't have like you can say like quality.
mhm.
So every scholar you can say like you can say like speaker, they have must some kind of quality. So
Yes.
yeah,
No, I
absolutely.
understand. Do you like to watch TED Talks?
Yeah,
Yeah, I imagine. It sounds like that's something that would interest you a lot, yeah, because they 'cause they're quite good at, like, capturing your attention
yeah,
and really effectively using gestures and body language along
yeah,
with their thing. Um, yeah, so TED Talks are, like, I think, quite a good model to follow. But do you listen to, like, podcasts and things like that as well?
yeah.
Yeah? And, like, what kind of, like, topics do you listen
Not
to?
on like any kind of topic. You can say about English or
Mhm,
about you can say like religion, about many kind of things. I listen lots of kind of topic. Yeah, and
mhm.
I listen about my religion also sometimes because
Mhm.
there have some scholar I will follow that one also. Yeah.
Okay, nice. That's interesting, yeah, and that's really useful to always be watching those types of things or, like, listening and
Mhm.
training your ear to pick up on
So
what they're
how was
saying.
your day today?
Today? Good. I haven't done a whole lot. I've just been at home.
So you are living there alone or
Yes.
you're with your family?
No, I'm here alone. My family is in the US.
Oh, okay. So me also, I'm living alone. Yeah,
Mhm. You also are living alone?
yeah,
And do you like that? Like, do you enjoy, like, having your
yeah,
independence?
yeah. Actually, I like,
Mhm. I do
but
too.
what I will do because here I have not any option. I can bring my family or yeah.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, so actually we don't have too much time, and it's really great conversation,
Mhm.
and maybe again we can talk. So just I
Yes.
wanna say bye. Take care. Have a good
Bye.
day.
You too.